Let's bring in Kelly Hyman, who is standing by, trial attorney in Miami, Florida. Kelly, I got to get your take on the strategy or the way that David Giannetti is approaching this cross-examination, because you wonder, is he trying to trick the witness when he's saying, what if it's 3 feet? The witness doesn't seem to know the exact measurement, but he made a general statement in the grand jury, and he's trying to cross-examine him. Seems like trying to impeach him on his statement there on the witness stand. Your take?
Definitely trying to impeach him to show that he is absolutely not credible. And it goes back to the reasonable doubt, to poke holes in it. Also, I found it very interesting that he asked about the certain procedures that they did. Another key thing that I could see defense counsel doing is saying that, well, you have these certain procedures, you had these certain standards that you had to abide by when you were getting evidence out of the snow, and you didn't do this, potentially contaminate the evidence, didn't properly pull the evidence. It goes to the heart of the case. In defense counsel, that's all they have to do: poke holes, no reasonable doubt, and then potentially she could be found not guilty.
Every crime scene is different, and this photo that we're showing there is a reminder that this was a snowy crime scene. They were having to dig through snow to make sure they preserved that evidence. Let's go back in. After that morning break, we still have Lieutenant O'Hare on the stand under cross.
Lieutenant O'Hara, you testified on direct examination that you collected 6 or 7 pieces of plastic, correct?
I believe that's what we found, yes, sir.
Would you agree with me that it's important to be precise in your investigation and your search?
Yes, why Lieutenant Tully took an evidence log, sir.
All right. So as you testify here today, 2.5 years later, can you tell the jury whether it was 6 or 7 of the pieces of plastic that you actually found?
I've never seen the evidence log from that night, sir, so I'm not sure exactly how many he recovered. Again, I was partaking in the search, so I'm not sure what the exact number is, sir.
And you would agree with me that you only mapped 3 of them on the map that was introduced here at trial, correct?
Correct.
And again, that was because the pieces were essentially on top of each other, correct?
Correct. As you would mark them on the GPS, they were marking almost directly on top of each other, and we knew that was going to...
And they certainly were not being marked feet away from each other, several feet, correct?
No, sir.
All right. And you are aware that Lieutenant Tully photographed 5 pieces of plastic that day, are you not?
I'm not sure. I'd never seen the photos until probably about a week ago, sir.
All right. In any case, you did say to the State Police Detective Unit at the end of this search that if they wanted you and your team to come back out during daylight hours, you would, correct?
Correct, sir.
So I'd like to direct your attention to 6 specific dates, and then I'll ask you a question. February 3rd, February 4th, February 8th, February 10th, February 11th, and February 18th. Those 6 dates. And my question is, did the lead investigator, Trooper Michael Proctor, ever call you on one of those 6 dates to come back to the scene to conduct a further search?
No, he did not.
I have nothing further.